YouTube just released a new research button which allows you to research your topics based on your audience. So it looks for content gaps for potential video ideas for things that you can create. Is it even worth it? Is it going to work? Well, I'm going to test that out in this video.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so let's start by getting to this research tab. So I am currently in my YouTube studio. So what I need to do is go to my analytics, and you will see in your analytics, channel analytics, on top here, there is a research tab. So I'm going to click on that research tab. So for starters, you can do searches across YouTube. I'm not sure if this is going to be helpful, but this could be any topic. So if you want to maybe start using a new topic for your channel, this could be really helpful. But what I'm curious and want to test out is your viewers' searches. So in here, YouTube is supposed to tell me what, based on things that my viewers are searching for, should I create videos on. So you can see as you click on these are different topics that my viewers are searching. So I can go through and see all of them like this. You can see the search volume on YouTube. Is it high, medium, or low? Most of these are high. And then it also allows me to see here content gap. So this means that, according to YouTube, that viewers can't find any results for their searches when they're searching for these particular things, and this is potentially a great video idea. So let's look through these and let's see where where there's content gaps. So I can search through all these topics, or I can go to my searches and I can press content gaps only, and it's going to show me all the content gaps that are currently available. So to save these, you just press the save button on the beginning of it, and you can save different ones that get your attention. So I've already done this and I've saved a few. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to look through these one more time and let's see which 4 I want to create today. So how to download Instagram Reel videos. That's a quick and easy video that I can do. How to screen record on an iPhone. That one's awesome. I've taught this in other videos. I haven't made a video directly about that topic, so I'm going to do that. How to delete draft reels in Instagram. That's an easy one to do. And then how to make trending reels on Instagram, or how to search filters on Instagram. These are both high. Which one will I go for? Let's do how to make trending reels on Instagram. I just think that that is more fun. I've done videos that are similar to it, and let's work on that today. So I'm just gonna unsave the other one. So I have my 4 video ideas saved right here, and now I'm just gonna create these videos. So it's been a few weeks since I posted the researched videos, and I want to show you the results. Out of the 4 videos that I posted based on YouTube's research suggestion, there is only one video that is still performing well. So I'm going to show you this. So in my analytics, all of the videos started a little bit below my average. You can see the average is this gray thing in the middle, and this blue line, that is how this video performed. So they all started below average, but this one started to go up, and it's going within average, and it's still being viewed mainly because of YouTube search. Now if we go to the next one, you can see here this one started a little bit higher, but now it's just staying above average, and it's just plateauing here, and it's only really got 5 views in the last 48 hours. So to me, that usually means that this video is not performing so well. It even lost one of my subscribers, so it did not help my channel at all. The next one, let's look at this one. It also started way below average, and it just remained below average, and it only has 8 views in the past 48 hours, so it's not doing well, but it didn't kill my subscribers. Well, it's even. It didn't gain or lose any subscribers, and I made $1.14 off of it. And then the last one, So the fourth one I posted based on the research tab. You can see this one also performed below average based on most of my videos, and it only has 11 views in the last 48 hours. So out of the 4 videos that I posted based on the research tab, only one of them is still kind of performing. They all started out below average, and one is starting to pick up, but the rest are just dying off. Topics I feel do best on YouTube are topics that people are asking you questions about, or topics that you come up with. So if you look at my most recent video, this is based on a new feature that Instagram had, and I was scrolling through Instagram, noticed this new feature, and had to make a video right away. And you can see that it's performing way above average from the beginning, and it continues to perform above average. It's being found YouTube search, but also browse, so people are seeing it and they're reacting to it, and that is amazing. So if you're trying to create more videos based on the research tab, try to consider, what are you excited about? If you make videos about what you're excited about, they'll probably resonate with your audience best. If you like this video, then you might also appreciate my video about my YouTube journey. Check it out here. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace!